Greetings to survivalists and preppers. Do you feel prepared? The top 10 apocalyptic survival tools and devices you will need in 2025 are listed in today's video. These are essential survival gear that could make all the difference in the event of a crisis, ranging from life-saving emergency tools to cutting-edge prepper gadgets. If you're interested in survival gear preparation and Amazon essentials, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our next lists. Let's begin without further ado. Chilly mornings and a wild call for gear that keeps you warm, comfortable, and ready for the adventure ahead. The Hunter's Element Legacy Trousers are medium warmth pants built for colder weather hunting, offering heat without the sweat factor of heavy waterproof layers. Crafted with Hydro Fuse Hybrid Tech 290 GSM 2-layered fabric, they combine a water-resistant outer made from recycled bottles with a 200 GSM fleece inner that blocks wind and breathes exceptionally well. Features include streamlined zippered thigh pockets, thigh-length heat vents, articulated knees, dome anchor cuff adjusters, and scuff-protected ankle panels. With a PFC-free DWR finish, these trousers are perfect for hunting, camping, and outdoor adventures. A dull blade can slow you down when camping, gardening, or tackling outdoor chores. Introducing the Sharpel Multi-Purpose Blade Sharpener, a versatile tool designed to keep your knives, pruners, loppers, head shears, scissors, axes, hatchets, machetes, and even lawnmower blades razor sharp. It features a durable tungsten carbide blade for quick edge setting and repair, plus a pure ceramic blade for fine honing and burr removal. Perfect for delicate tools and kitchen knives. Its ergonomic grip, lanyard hole, and pen clip design make it easy to carry anywhere. Ideal for camping, gardening, and outdoor adventures, it ensures sharp, reliable blades anytime. When you're out camping under the stars, the last thing you want is to be bothered by biting insects. Meet the Life Systems EX4 Anti-Mosquito Spray, a spray-on treatment for fabrics and textiles that protects against mosquitoes, midgets, ticks, and other biting insects. Designed for clothing, footwear, outdoor gear, tents, sleeping bags, blankets, and mosquito nets, it adds a protective layer to fibers that lasts for several washes. Each EX4 Plus bottle treats up to 3.5 square m of fabric, with one application lasting up to 2 weeks. Compact and effective, it's the ideal defense to keep your outdoor adventures bite-free and comfortable. Imagine sitting by a warm stove while snow falls outside, safe and cozy in your shelter. The Russian Bear RBM Outdoors Hot Tent is a 4-season winter tent with a stove jack designed for cold weather camping, fishing, and hunting trips. Its double-layer waterproof and windproof construction provides superior insulation, while the removable inner awning keeps you cool in summer. Featuring a quick umbrella-style setup, it's fast and effortless to pitch with strong aviation aluminum alloy framing built to withstand harsh winds. Spacious and comfortable, this tent offers mosquito nets, a zipper bottom, and side pockets, making it the ultimate all-weather camping shelter. When exploring the outdoors, you need gear that's as rugged and reliable as you are. The 5. Band-Etic Nylon Band compatible with Apple Watch Ultra. Ultra 2 Bands is a rugged tactical wide sport loop designed for durability and comfort. Made from premium breathable nylon with heavy-duty stainless steel connectors, it's sweat-resistant, soft, and skin-friendly. Perfect for camping, hiking, or daily wear. Inspired by tactical backpacks, its sleek design combines toughness with style. Featuring large hook and loop fasteners for an adjustable and secure fit, this band locks your iWatch Ultra 49mm or other Apple Watch versions firmly in place, ensuring reliability during every adventure. Adventure riding demands reliable protection without sacrificing comfort. The O'Neill Split Chest Protector is a lightweight chest protector built with injected plastic parts for maximum durability and safety. Designed with multi-art ergonomic shaping and inner bowfoam padding, it ensures optimum comfort even during long rides. Featuring multiple size adjustments on the shoulder pads and an easy snap waist closure, it provides a secure and customizable fit. The detachable front and back parts allow versatile combination options, while its neck brace compatible design adds extra safety. Perfect for riders who want lightweight, durable, and adjustable body protection on every outdoor adventure.